Morning, happy campers. Okay, I think we're ready to assemble everything. Now, I had to put the whole can of kidney beans in the bowl. Normally, I would not do that because, no refrigerator. And here I put everything together. The 3 colors of the bell pepper, green olives, black raisins. So we have very colorful combination. This is some Asiago cheese we can put on there. It's kind of melting, so I think that the sooner I use it, the better. Lemon juice. Might need more than 1 lemon. These are little. They looked really good in the store. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get another, maybe 1 or 2 more lemons. My lemon trees are producing enormous numbers of lemons, and I figured out why they're doing so well. Because see, look at here. See the lemon trees? I looked it up online. I water them regularly, all around. But see, I have all of this watering activity over here. And online it said that lemon trees have very aggressive roots and will extend out like, 10 feet or more to get to a water source. So that's why they're doing so well, is because I'm absolutely sure that they have found how to, the water source over there. Olive oil. I still water them because I want them to have a balanced, root structure instead of some kind of like lopsided thing. Anchovy paste. Just for some extra umami flavor. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's everything. Okay, so really beautiful little salad. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.